How to fix Bluetooth on off button is missing in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix Bluetooth on off button is missing in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your services at first, and under services make sure that your Bluetooth is running. So here you will have Bluetooth support service. You just need to simply go with the service, right click on it and make sure that it has started, and you need to go with properties and make sure that the startup type is automatic, and after that you can go with apply and OK. And after doing this, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go with the other solution, which is you can go with the bottom left, which has that Windows icon, right click on it, and then go with the device manager option. Under device manager here, if you have the Bluetooth, then you can just simply open up the Bluetooth. But if you don't have the Bluetooth option, then you can go with the action and then go with scan for hardware changes. Once you go with scan for hardware changes, then it will refresh your device manager and you might find your Bluetooth option. Once you find the Bluetooth option, you need to right click on it, go with properties. Under properties, you can go with your drivers. So enlarge the Bluetooth at first and then go with the wireless Bluetooth. Right click on it, go with properties, and here you need to go with the driver section and then go with update driver. And you can choose search automatically for drivers. And if it says the best drivers are already installed, then you can go with browse my computer for drivers and then let me pick from a list of available drivers and select the driver and go with next, and you can update your driver. After updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can just right click on it and then you can go with uninstall a driver. After uninstalling, you can go with your browsers and then you can install the driver again, and you can restart your device. After restarting, the drivers will be automatically updated. After doing that, your problem will be fixed. You can just simply go with the control center and you'll have your Bluetooth option. But if you don't find it right here, you can just simply go with your settings, open up your settings. Under settings, you can go with the troubleshoot option, search for troubleshoot settings. Under troubleshoots, go with other troubleshooters. And here, if you find the Bluetooth, you can just simply run the Bluetooth troubleshooter and it will fix your problem. So these were the few fixes. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.